Right, guys. Good morning. Everyone completed second application. Everyone, I asked to record your voice of second application. I asked to record your voice of second application. Yes, guys. Today, shall we concentrate on third application development, guys? Shall we concentrate on third application development, guys? Spring MVC laid application February 3rd. February 3rd. No, no. What's our application? Advanced Java NTAJ 114 Servlet based web application flow February 3rd. Servlet based flow Servlet February 3rd. Servlet based web application flow. MIME types based web application development. MIME types based web application development. Listen, guys, there are certain things that I want to discuss, guys. Number one, generic servlet. Generic servlet is having only one service. What is that service method, guys? This is an abstract class having one abstract method. What is that? Public wide service, servlet request REQ, next servlet response RES, throws servlet exception, comma, IO exception. This is my abstract method, guys. This is HTTP servlet. This is HTTP servlet. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. HTTP servlet. Yeah, it is having two methods, two service methods, guys. This is one concrete method. That means well implemented method. Yes. This is my protected void service. HTTP servlet request HTTP servlet request. Next one, HTTP servlet response. This is also another concrete method, guys. Okay. This is also another concrete method. Subham, can you please focus in web.xml? No need of writing all this stuff. Just write web app. Subham, can you focus on concentrate on the subject? Don't write lengthy. Just write web app opening and closing. That's it. Who asked to write this entire hangama? I have given simple web.xml. Why are you making it as complex? Don't make it complex. Yes, boss. Now listen. Here we have servlet request is an interface, guys, which is there in this package. Java X dot servlet dot servlet request. Java X dot servlet dot HTTP dot HTTP servlet request. HTTP servlet request. Java X dot servlet dot servlet response. Come on. Okay. This is an interface. Java X dot servlet dot HTTP dot HTTP servlet response. Okay. All right, boss. What is the relationship? Extends. What is the relationship? Extends. What is the relationship? Extends. All right, boss. Okay, here is response, guys. Wait. Servlet response. Servlet response. Servlet request, HTTP servlet request. Servlet response, HTTP servlet response. I hope you are understanding my point there. Come on. Right. Here is my generic servlet. Here is my HTTP servlet, guys. Are you comfortable with me? Here is my servlet request. Here is my HTTP servlet request. Now listen. Servlet request. Okay. Servlet request. Servlet response. Type request comma response objects cannot work with protocol HTTP. What is this? Protocol HTTP features. Protocol HTTP features. HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet response type, request comma response objects can work with protocol HTTP features. Can work with protocol HTTP features. Are you getting my point there? Are you getting my point there? Here is my servlet request. Here is my HTTP servlet request. Okay, servlet response. Here is my HTTP servlet response. Are you understanding my point there? Okay, right, boss. Here is my generic servlet, guys. Here is my HTTP servlet. Here is my generic servlet. Here is my HTTP servlet. Okay. Nitesh Saves, don't install Tomcat in C drive. Try to install other than C drive. Can you concentrate on subject, guys? If you want to enjoy protocol HTTP features, you have to think about it. Okay, boss. Next. So, generic, okay, this is two service methods, guys. First service method is called public service method. Public service method. Second service method is public service method. This is also called as first service method. Public service method also called as first service method. Cool. Next, guys. Protected service method also called as second service method. Second service method. Cool, guys. Fine. I think you got the clarity. Now onwards, we are going to work with HTTP servlet. Which service is method good here? First service method is good. Second service method is good. First service method is good. Second service method is good. First service method is good. Second service method is good. Okay. First service method is good. Second is good. Because we can work with protocol HTTP feature because it is having HTTP servlet request, HTTP servlet response objects. Everyone getting my point? Right. Okay, guys. Next. Yeah, we can enjoy auto refresh kind of features. Response dot set content type. Set content type. What this method will give, guys? This method will give instruction to browser through response object, servlet container, and web server. Come on. Servlet container and web server to display received output. To display received output of the response in a certain format. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Okay. What it will do? Gives instruction to browser through response object to browser through response object to display the received content from the response object. Received content from the response object in certain format. Received content from the response object in certain format. In certain format. Okay. This method expects MIME type or response content type as the argument value. MIME type or response content type as the argument value. Response content type as the argument value. Understanding my statement there or not there? Yes. Okay, guys. Let's see. Text slash HTML. What is this? Text slash HTML. Come on, guys. Text slash HTML. These are the examples, guys. Text slash plain. Next, text slash XML. Application slash MS Word, and etc. We have a lot of things, guys. Okay. So this is default in most of the browsers, guys. Default in most of the browsers. Okay. Default in Mozilla Firefox. Mozilla. Already we discussed it, guys. Sir, how to get these MIME types? We can get these MIME types from internet. Default in Mozilla Firefox. Default in most of the browsers. Default in most of the browsers in Mozilla Firefox. Is that clear or not? Come on, come on. Text slash HTML default in most of the browsers. Oh, text slash plain default in Mozilla Firefox. Right. Sir, how to get this one? I cannot remember everything like this, no, sir. No problem. In Windows, we have a small option, but be careful while using that option. So there is a tool called ResEdit, Registry Editor. There is a tool called ResEdit, Registry Editor. Registry Editor. HKey underscore classes underscore root. Choose the extension. Choose the extension. ASP, no MIME type is AVI. Yes, video slash AVI. Like this you can get, guys. BMP. Image slash BMP. Image slash BMP. Doc. Application slash MS Word. Application slash MS Word. DOCX. Application slash VND dot OpenMX. All this stuff. OpenMX, all this stuff. Okay. GIF. Image slash GIF. Are you getting my point, guys? Come on. Are you understanding my statement here, guys? Okay. So, to get MIME types, of different extensions, to get MIME types of different extensions. Screen not visible, audio not audible. Anyone is having problems? Is everything okay? Check and let me know. 2 minutes, guys. Okay. To get MIME types of different extensions. Okay. Tell me here. Search for REG tool. REG tool. Expand HKey underscore classes underscore root. HKey underscore classes underscore root. Choose the extension. Choose the file extension and get the MIME type. Choose the file extension and get the MIME type. Okay, guys. Choose the file extension and get the MIME type. Are you with me, guys? Here is my expand. Right, boss? MIME means multi-purpose internet mail extension. Multi-purpose internet mail extension. Multi-purpose internet mail extension. That is me. That is mine. Okay. Yes. Fine, boss. So now my next application is developing web application with multiple servlet components, having capability to generate outputs in different formats. So that means I have to take servlet with different right procedure to develop example web application having multiple servlet components. Example web application having multiple servlet components. Okay. With the ability of generating web pages in different formats. Web pages in different formats. Right, guys. Listen, guys, I need not to do the steps sincerely one by one, but anyhow, this is the second one only, na? Let me go for it. Step number one. Create okay, I need not to say arrange software setup, guys. Okay, I'm directly going. Already setup is there now, boss. Okay, create deployment directory structure. Now listen, if needed, we can create this deployment directory structure directly in the Tomcat Web Apps folder. Instead of creating outside and copying to Web Apps folder, if you are interested, you can directly create that deployment directory structure in Web Apps folder. Create deployment directory structure. Is that clear, guys? Create deployment directory structures. Now listen, where is this? Wherever you want, you can create. If needed, you can create directly in Web Apps folder. Then there is no separate process of deployment, guys. /.
अब मैं बंद पूरा डायरेक्ट बंद नहीं करता जो
/.
मैं थोड़ा ढुका देता हूँ अब बीच बीच तक ढुका रखा था ना तुमने खोलने की
WebINF folder.
अब ऐसे ही करता हूँ
Under WebINF folder, classes.
वो साफ नहीं करते हैं।
Under WebINF folder,
मैं यहाँ
classes.
मंदिर रखने की सोच रही हूँ और कहाँ से करूँ?
Under classes folder, come on. Under classes folder, come on, guys. .java files. Total how many .java? Plain servlet .java. This application is mainly to work with MIME types, guys. To prove that different servlet can generate output in different format onto the browser. HTML servlet.java. Excel servlet.java. Next, Word servlet.java. Word servlet.java. Here is my package. com.nt.servlet. In this place, we are having star.class. Okay, actually, I want to take one more thing, XML servlet.java. What is that? XML servlet.java star.class. Star.class. This. Here is my web.xml. /mymapp webinf. Oh, now 5 are there. Huh? Okay, we'll go for 5. What is there in that? We'll go for 5. Yes, guys. That is step number 1. Okay. Step number 2. Develop the web component. Web component, nothing but servlet components and web.xml file. Okay. So shall I complete these 2 things first, guys? Okay. Anywhere you can create directory structure, not a problem, guys. Anywhere you can create. As I said, if you want, you can create directly in web apps folder itself. Okay. New. Yeah, the people who missed second application, at least today focus. Okay. MIME-APP. Not compulsory you should take MIME-APP. Any other name also you can do it. Okay. Don't do parallelly. Don't do parallelly. Don't do. Why? What is the mistake of doing parallelly? I will tell. If you stuck up somewhere and you never concentrate further. Folder, what is that? MIME-APP. Under this, what is this folder? WebINF. New classes. New classes. MIME-APP WebINF classes. Here is my classes. WebINF classes. Right, boss? Okay, I'm going to take one web.xml file here. Text document. File save as. Web.xml. File save as web.xml. Okay. Site is package should be created by compiler, not this one. See, boss, if you sorry, I will place .java files under package. There's no meaning in that, na? Because packages will come through compiler. Before compilation, only if .javas are there in package, it's really meaningless. Okay, if you want, you can do it, but the technically wrong. Okay. So now let me start the development of my servlets, guys. I want to display one table, guys. I want to display one table. Okay, file new others class. Others Java class. Array, no class. Okay, Java class. Fine, boss. What is this? Plain servlet dot Java. Okay, first we'll take HTML servlet dot Java. Package com.nt.servlet. Next. Import javax.servlet.star http.star okay java.io.star java.io.star servlet.star http.star io.star package com.nt.servlet io.star. Come on guys. Public class HTML servlet extends HTTP servlet. What is that, guys? Extends HTTP servlet. Okay. Now tell me here, what is this? Yeah. Now listen. First service method is good as second service method is good as second service method. What is second service method? Protected. Protected wide service. What are the parameters? HTTP servlet request REQ. Next, HTTP servlet response RES. I'll prove. We can work with HTTP features. I'll prove that. Don't worry. HTTP servlet response RES throws servlet exception, comma IO exception. Servlet exception, comma IO exception. Right, guys? Now tell me. Get print writer from response object. Print writer PW is equal to res dot get writer. Print writer PW is equal to res dot get writer. Set response content type. Res dot set content type text slash HTML. Res dot set content type text slash HTML. Text slash HTML. Are you understanding my statement? Oh, okay. Text slash HTML. Okay, now write content to response object. Okay, content to response object anyhow goes to browser. You know that, right? So pw.println open table. I want to display HTML table, guys. Nothing else. I just want to display HTML table. Okay. HTML table align align is equal to center. In pw.println HTML tags, whenever you are keeping attributes, try to keep in single quotes. Okay, guys. PRKK. Sorry to say you are not attending classes regularly. Now you are asking me why GetWriter should use. I think we spend 1 hour time on this point. Either read it or attending classes regularly. Otherwise, stop attending this batch, attend next batch. I am giving 3 suggestions to PRKK. Shame on you. 45 minutes discussion I have done on that. I have prepared background on streams. Then I talked about real life example, diagrammatic representation. Guys, did we spend time on that? I have given real life example, taking money from father and giving gift to father. At least remember that example. Guys, if you are not sincere to learn subject with me, please stop coming. No, sir, I will just sit in the classroom. After class, I don't read the documents. After class, I don't do practice, but I should become perfect in Java. Means forget about me. Think about choosing other faculties. Shame on you. I have given clear-cut explanation about that. Given or not given? Since the chat box is open, don't write anything like that. It insults your faculty. Okay, since question has come, let me spend some time. To write data to response object, we need a stream pointing to response object. Good news is you need not to create that stream from scratch level. Inside the response object, that stream is already there. Okay, to get that stream, you have to call response.getWriter method. What is giving print writer stream? So when you call pw.println, whatever messages you kept here, they will be written to response object. Table align center. Come on. Table align center. Okay. Number of rows. 2. Number of rows 2. Number of columns. Number of rows, I think I will take 8. My choice here. At least 5 I will take. 5. Number of columns 2. Number of columns. Okay, guys. So table is taken. pw.println. pw.println tr. pw.println tr. Come on, tell me here. What is this? td. pw.println tr td. pw.println tr td. td opening and closing. td opening and closing. Okay. Otherwise, first row na heading row. I think you know these HTML tags, guys. Heading column. Right, boss. TR means table row. TH means heading cell. Heading cell. Tell me, politician. 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 Next, party. Political party. TH is not required, guys. TH. Political party. Close TH. Done, guys. Next. TH. TD opening and TD closing. Okay. Modi. Modi. Political party is what? BJP. Next. Okay. Rahul. Indian National Congress. INC. Indian National Congress. Okay. Mamata. Mamata. Tell me next one. Trinamool Congress. Yeah, listen, guys. I want to take table data. Table data. Table cell. Table heading row. We will take this. TD opening and closing. TD opening and closing. TD opening and closing. Come on. TD opening and closing. Yes, here also. TD opening and closing. Yes, guys. Okay, guys. Next one. Are there any other national parties, guys? Other national parties. Okay, KCR. KCR. TRS. Okay, guys. TRS. Mr. P. Vinay Kumar, writer streams are there to write the data. Writer streams are not there to read the data. If you have that clarity, you never ask this question. Now, response object is giving a response dot get writer method. Everyone, please read this question, guys. What is need of going to C language, boss? First of all, what stream you are getting? A writer stream. Using writer stream, can you do reading operation? No. Using writer stream and output stream, we can do only write operation. So I don't know. I don't think. Why are you thinking about reading operation now? Use basic common sense, guys. That I clearly said. Output stream and writer streams are there for writing purpose. Input stream and reader streams are there for reading purpose. Yes, na? So when response dot get writer is giving writer stream, print writer as writer stream, how can you think about reading from? How can you think about reading from that? Come on. Right. Okay. Now let it be, guys. So now TR is over. Next. PW dot println close table. Lastly, close stream. This one. Okay. Class. Close stream, close class. Here is my E drive. MyMapp WebINF classes. Okay. What is this? HTML servlet.java. HTML servlet.java. Right, guys? MIME type is this. So now what I'm going to do, I'll show protocol HTTP features later. File save as, okay, file save as plain servlet.java. Plain servlet.java. Okay. When you take this one as plain servlet, there are some places where we have to change. Number one, number two. I'm wantedly keeping same code, guys. Only MIME type I will change. What is the MIME type, guys? Text slash plain. Right. This is slash should be perfect slash, guys. Generally, people writes reverse slash and they will get the problems. Okay, guys. File save as. File save as. Tell me. Excel servlet.java. .java is coming automatically. Change number one. Excel servlet. Okay. Copy this. Excel servlet. Yes, guys. Excel servlet. H key underscore classes underscore root, guys. H key underscore classes underscore root. What is that, boss? What is that? What is that? MS Excel extension is, guys, what, guys? MS Excel extension is what? XLS. Extension is XLS. Come down, go to XLS. M. Okay. R. Yes. Okay. T. V. W. X. XLS. Just a minute. I'll keep the magnifier ready. Yes, boss. See, what is this? Application slash vnd.msx. There are not there. Okay. If you double click, you will get it here. Copy it and paste it. Copy it and paste it. If you double click, you will get it. Copy it and paste it. Copy this, guys. Copy this, guys. Say paste. Application slash vnd dot ms hyphen excel. Application slash vnd dot ms hyphen excel. Is that clear, guys? Come on. vnd dot ms hyphen excel. Okay. Super. This is my Excel servlet, guys. This is my service method. File save as. Okay, file save as Word servlet. I'm not changing my table content. Did you notice that? Word servlet. Oh, Word servlet spell mistake has come. Wait a minute. File save as Word servlet. What is the spell, guys? Okay, L is missed. Okay. Word servlet. All right. Acha, this is still not opened properly. Wait a minute. This is my Word servlet. What is the class name? Word servlet. What is this one? Word servlet. Right. MS Word. Okay. What is the MIME type of this? Go to the top. DOC. 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 Application slash MS Word. Application slash MS Word. Application slash MS Word. Develop the web components. Okay, fine. Application slash MS Word. Application slash MS Word. Table align center. Table. Word servlet. Word servlet. Come on, guys. Politician Modi, Rahul, Mamata, KCR. Word servlet. File save as. File save as. Come on, guys. Next. Excel servlet, HTML servlet. Then what is this? XML servlet. XML servlet. Here is my XML servlet. Here is my XML servlet. Right. So here is my text slash XML. Text slash XML. Okay, fine, guys. Right. HTML only, but I want to present as a XML output. Make sure that all single quote tags are properly closed because XML is strictly typed on a problem maker. Fine, boss. Done, guys. We have developed all the web components. So should I give code of all the web components or not required? Should I give code of all the web components or not required? Yes, guys. XML servlet, guys. Here is my XML servlet code. Okay, no problem. I'll give for a few days. Then I will keep in the Git and I will give from there. Excel servlet. Copy this. Excel servlet. Next, HTML servlet, guys. HTML servlet.java. HTML servlet.java. Next, plain servlet.java. Plain servlet.java. Word servlet.java. Word servlet.java. Word servlet.java. Okay, guys. But in all the places, what I want to highlight is MIME type, nothing else. Entire application is running based on the MIME type story. Only MIME type is different everywhere. Here is MIME type.
मम्मी थोड़ा सा गर्म करके एक शैम्पू गिर लो.
Here is my MIME type.
पोंछा लगा रही हो क्या?
Here also MIME
शैम्पू
type.
गिर लो उसे थोड़ा सा.
Got it now, boss?
अरे
Right.
मम्मी एक तो गिर लो, वो 1-1 रुपए की यहाँ है, वो भी है.
Step number 3. Step number 3. Make sure that,
मैं करवा
what is that?
साथ में.
Make
मैं करवा
sure that,
दूंगी
make sure that servlet-api.jar file is added to the class path. Added to the class path. Are already done na? Okay. Make sure that servlet-api.jar file is already added to the class path. You need not to add every day, guys. It is already there. Just confirm once. It is already there. Just confirm. Advanced system settings, environment variables. Yes, it is already there in the class path. Check it out. Already there. Already there. Just confirm. That's it.
देख के आऊंगा भी बाहर से मम्मी. देख के आऊंगा भी बाहर से.
Just confirm. Yeah, /tomcat 9.x/libus/servlet-api.jar. Yes, please. That is step number 2. Step number 1. Okay. Yeah, that is step number. This is already there. Make sure that is added to class path. Number 3. Number 4. Compile the servlet components. Process same, guys. Compile the servlet components. Yes. Go to this place. Yes. You can compile all the things at once, guys. Java C space -d space dot. You can compile all the components at once by using @star.java. There is no need of compiling one by one. Mm, you can say star.java, star.java. star.java. Javac-d dot star dot java. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Javac-d dot star dot java. Here is my compilation. Here is my compilation. Understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Are you with me? Right. com.nt.servlet. Here are my dot class file. Here are my dot class file. Comfortable, guys? Are you comfortable, guys? Come on. Compilation is done, guys. Okay, let me do that. Java C space -d space star dot Java. Clear na, boss? Yes, compilation. Because of this dot class files will come. Next, configure servlet components in web.xml file having unique logical names and URL patterns. Okay, having unique logical names and URL patterns. Until you get grip, guys, you keep the habit of writing XML entries on your own. Don't copy paste. Web app. Because in interview, they may ask you to write sample web.xml. Okay, servlet closing. Servlet -name. Servlet -name. Close servlet -name. Okay, servlet -name. Close servlet -name. Servlet -name. Close servlet -name. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on. Servlet -name. Servlet -name. What is servlet logical name, guys? What is servlet logical name? I am giving servlet logical name DS. Okay, first HTML. HTML. Okay. Servlet -class. com.nt.html servlet. Servlet -class. What is that, guys? Servlet -class. Servlet -making. HTML. What is this? URL pattern / HTML URL. URL pattern. Servlet -map. Here is my HTML. Here is my com.nt.servlet.html servlet. Here is my HTML. Here is my /HTML URL. Come on, guys. Okay, guys. Tell me here. HTML URL. This is logical name. Logical name should match. So type first time manually. Then another total how many servlets we have, OS? Four servlets, huh? Four servlet. Unique logical names, unique class names, guys. Generally, what will be logical name? You know, first word of the servlet will become logical name. Okay, XYZ servlet. Generally, we take XYZ as the logical name, guys. Okay. Order is not important. In any order, we can configure. Okay. Excel servlet. Here also Excel. Here is what? Excel URL. Here is what? Word. Here is my Word URL. Word. Here is my Word URL. Here is my plain. Here is my plain servlet. Okay. Again plain. Here is my plain URL. Okay, guys. Word. Yes, where? Acha, here word. Right, guys? Fine. All are perfect now. Line number 25 corrected. So control B to check whether we have typed perfectly or not. Control B. Control B is launching browser nicely. That's why no problem. Right. We are ready with web.xml also. Oh, XML is left. Huh? Okay, let's take XML stuff also. We have 5 servlets now, boss. Fine. XML here. Here is my XML servlet here. XML here. What is this? XML URL. Okay, guys. Here XML URL. HTML, Excel, Word, plain, XML. Is that clear, guys? Is that clear? Are you comfortable here or not? Yes, boss. Are you comfortable here or not? Right. Servlet opening and closing, servlet mapping opening and closing. Right. Control B, boss, nothing else. Press Control B in Edit Plus, it will open in the browser. If coming like this means no typing mistakes are there. That means well-formed document. At least we can say it's a well-formed document. Right. Control B is the shortcut key. Or you can directly right click and open in browser also. You can say your choice. Open with browser. Oh, it is not giving option. Huh? Okay. Open. Yes, if you click on open also, open option will work. Got it now, guys? Right. Close tabs. It's up to you. It's up to you. Now development is over, guys. Compilation is over. Development is also over. So now I'm taking this web.xml, guys. Okay. Right. Web.xml file. Unique logical name, unique URL pattern. Anyhow, class names also indirectly unique only. Class name also indirectly unique. You know that. Yes, we are ready with web.xml stuff, guys. Step number 5, step number 6. Yeah. Start the Tomcat server. start the Tomcat server. Yes. Right. Tomcat 9.x guys.
नहीं मम्मी
Bin directory Tomcat 9.exe file. Tomcat 9.exe file. Tomcat server is started. So, okay. I think I need not to tell. Next, deploy the web application. Deploy the web application. Super. Deploy the web application. Tell me here. Copy. Copy. Tell me here. Tomcat /mymapp folder to. Okay. Tomcat home / web apps folder. Tomcat home / web apps. Here is my mymapp folder, guys. Tomcat 9.x web apps folder, say paste. Web apps folder, say paste. Fine, guys. Next, run the application. Step number 8. Run the application. Run the application. That means test the application. Test the application. Right, boss. Okay, guys. You should not run file, boss. You should click on Tomcat 9.exe file. Open the browser, type one by one. HTTP localhost port number 3030, then 3020, no, 2525. 2525, yes, 2525. What is this? mymapp. What is the first one? Plain URL. See, plain URL. It is not recognizing HTML. Whatever we have written, that is coming as it is. Did you notice that, guys? Plain. Next. Okay, I'll paste one by one. First one is plain URL. Next, HTML URL. HTML URL. See, table effect is coming. Table effect is coming. Sir, I am not seeing border. And I said, nah, I didn't take border is equal to 1, but actually table is there. I didn't take align is at least align is working. Now you want to feel that wait. Okay. Now you want to see modification after deployment. If you want to see modification after deployment, regular story. What is that regular story? Recompile and reload. Okay. BZ color cyan. Okay. Border is equal to 1. Border is equal to 1. Yes. Forget about this command prompt, guys, because now it is changes after deployment. Don't forget that. Okay, guys. Tell me. Java C-D star.java. Compilation is done. Compilation is done. Okay. Now, HTTP localhost 2525. Manager app. Admin 1. Admin 1. Sign in. admin1 sign in. Admin1 sign in. What is this? Date app. What is this date app, guys? Not date app. Mime app reload. Reload. Come here. Refresh. Yes, we are able to fill the browser is loading now. So at least you feel there is a table. At least you feel now there is a table already. Nice. Next one. XML URL. See, table in the form of XML. When you open XML document in the browser, it comes like this content, na tags based expansion collaboration. Come on, come on, come on. Right. So HTML tags coming as XML content. Okay. Right. This is third one. XML URL. Next one, guys. Word URL. Word URL. Yes, actually it should come in the browser, but latest browsers are not supporting. No problem. Show in folder or open. When you open, it will try to open as a MS Word document, guys. It will try to open as a MS Word document. Open with. It will give option to choose MS Word. Yes, here we are having MS Word. Yeah, you should have MS Office in your computer. No doubt in that. You must have MS Office in your computer. Yes, document is coming as a MS Office document. How can you say it's a MS Office? You can apply colors, all this stuff, guys. Come on. It's a MS Office document, guys. Okay. This is XML URL over here. Okay. No audio, na? No audio means check your side, boss. Check your side. What URL? Word URL. Word URL. Nice, boss. Next, we have paste. 2525 Excel URL. Excel URL. Open it and open with we have to choose MS Excel. MS Excel. MS Excel. Where is MS Excel, guys? Oh, it is now Microsoft Office, Office 12, nice. Array, where is that option, guys? Where is that option? MS Office, MS Office. Yeah, we can get PDF also, boss. Whatever format you want, you can get it. Open with, it's supposed to come here, guys. It's supposed to come here. MS Excel supposed to come here. Because nowadays formats are changing now, guys. It is not giving option. Otherwise, I do reverse. I do reverse. Wait. MS Excel. Okay. MS Excel. Yes, this is MS Excel. Yeah. File open. File open. Come on, guys. Downloads. MS Excel. Downloads. Downloads. MS Excel. Acha, Excel URL. What is that? Go to download. Downloads option. Arre, just now I have seen a boss. What is that? What is the option we are having? Downloads. Okay. All files. All files. All files. Excel URL. Excel URL. Excel URL. Excel. See these guys. It's coming here. Check it out. Oh, it is a different one. Ah, it is a different one. Old content is coming. Wait. What is today's file name, guys? What is today's file name? Downloads only. Excel URL 1. Okay, got it. Excel URL 1. MS Excel, guys. Yeah, if you open one time, next time onwards, it will be open nicely. Downloads, Excel URL 1. All files, Excel URL 1. Yes, Excel URL 1. Right, guys. It's coming or not coming? Clear, guys? So, no, actually, grid lines are not coming. Array, you go to view menu. Here there is option of grid line. Then you can see the grid line. HTML table is converted into Excel sheet, guys. Their HTML table is converted into Excel sheet. Okay, fine. Once again, procedure 2. Array, open MS Excel, open the file, ra babu. Nothing else. Faisal's sake, open MS Excel, use file open option. Don't forget Windows basics. Open MS Excel manually. You have MS Office now. In that one, MS Excel is there now. Open it. Go there, file open option. Right. Excel URL. If it is not directly opening because type is not matching, then do one thing. Do one thing. You open MS Excel, MS Office, MS Word, and open our document. Yeah. Now at least you got the idea. Our Starlet component not only can send, okay, only HTML tags based text document, it can also send, come on guys, it can also send, different formats based web pages or not. At least you understood the purpose of response.setContentType method. I hope you understood the purpose of response.setContentType method. Okay, guys. Okay, this is the stuff here. Develop this application. With this, we completed our third application. Right? Okay, some more improvisations are there. Vinay Kumar, you write wrong tag. You write wrong tag. You write wrong tag. MSG tag. P. Vinay Kumar, you write MSG tag. You write those tags which are not there. You please wrong attribute and start the server. Automatical exception comes on the server console. Automatically exception comes on the server console. Right. Thank you guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Have a nice day. Pawan Bokle, Residit is